Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to see how we can open the Pinterest ads account. In order to have a Pinterest ads account, we need to also have the Pinterest profile and based on which we can open the ads account. So just to show you this, so this is the official website where you can come, which is ads.pinterest.com. And this is where you can sign up. Sign up on this website and you will be able to open the account if you already have a Pinterest profile. So I'm just going to show you how it will look like. So once you log into this, then you're going to enter the home page of Pinterest ads. As you can see now, this is the Pinterest ads account. This is the ad account overview page. And from here, we can start building out campaigns on this platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand this. Making sure that in order to run this ads account, you first need to have a Pinterest profile as well. So make sure you have that. And then easily through this process, you can set up your account, provide your banking information to activate the account, and then you can run campaigns to run ads with it.